my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Maybelline City Mini Palettes. If you do want to see a review and a demo, please keep watching. So I want to wish you guys a very happy New Year's Eve. I am super excited for 2019. Let me know in the comments down below, what are some of your New Year's resolutions? This year for 2019, I only have one New Year's resolution, and that is to take care of my skin and applying those skincare products, especially for my nighttime routine. I have so many skincare products that sometimes I do forget to apply them. Maybelline did release two new eyeshadow palettes in the City Mini collection. So here's what the first one looks like. The first Maybelline City Mini eyeshadow palette is called Coca City. The second Maybelline eyeshadow palette that I did purchase was in Diamond District. I just love how fun this eyeshadow palette looked. I did purchase both of these eyeshadow palettes at my local CVS, and both of these eyeshadow palettes retail for $9.99 each. I was looking through my CVS paper and I did notice on the back, if you spend $15 on Maybelline products, you get $5 extra bucks. Definitely check your CVS newspaper because you can save some money. I also noticed that Ulta did have these in stock. If you guys are an Ulta member, you guys can purchase it there and definitely use your points. And you know they always have their $3.50 coupon going around, or you can always pick it up at CVS, whichever is closest to you. So now we're just gonna open up these eyeshadow palettes from Maybelline. So here's the first eyeshadow palette in Coca City. I think we're gonna be using this eyeshadow palette today. If you're interested in seeing the Diamond District eyeshadow palette, I will leave this for a later video. So definitely subscribe to my channel and make sure you guys hit the notification bell. That way you guys don't miss any of my new videos. So let's get back into this eyeshadow palette. So here's what this eyeshadow palette looks like. I have a lot of matte shades, which I really do love, especially in a drugstore palette. And then you have this pop of shimmer. So let's see what this first shade at the top swatch is like. Ooh, this is actually very buttery in the pan. So here we have that first eyeshadow. I was not expecting that. We're just gonna swatch this shade right next to it. This is not as buttery as the first shadow. I wish these eyeshadows had shade names on it, or at least numbers. Let's see what this pink shade looks like. Ooh, this is so buttery. I love when eyeshadows are soft and buttery in the pan. It makes them easy to work with. That's a really nice soft pink shade. So let's swatch this metallic shadow. Ooh, nice and buttery. I love it. We're definitely gonna pop this metallic shadow on the center of the lid. That is vibrant. And then we're gonna swatch the next one next to it. Another buttery shadow. So far all these shadows have been buttery except for this one here. So here's what that one looks like. And then we're just gonna swatch this last chocolate espresso shade here at the bottom. This one's nice and buttery as well. And here we have that espresso shade. I expected that shade to be a little bit darker. Definitely can build that shade up, but I really expected a deeper espresso shade. It's not a bad 6-pan eyeshadow palette. So now that we've seen what all 6 shades does swatch like, let's go ahead and create a look using this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush and we're just going to dip into this bottom shade right next to this metallic shade. So we're going to tap into this shade. We're going to be applying that shade all over our crease. Do you guys have any plans for New Year's Eve tonight? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm planning to stay home because I don't want to be in the middle of any of that chaos tonight. I don't want to be in front of a lot of crowds. I don't like a lot of people there. I know it's going to be super packed. So I'm just going to stay at home and just watch the ball drop sitting from my couch. And just enjoying ringing in the new year with my loved ones. This is actually a nice transition shadow. I think I'm just gonna keep it simple. I mean, I'm not going anywhere out tonight. Now I'm kind of regretting not using the Diamond District eyeshadow palette because I feel like this blue teal shade would match my t-shirt that I'm wearing. But it's fine, we can just use that in a different video. I went into CVS today and CVS had a lot of new products, like a lot of new makeup items. I purchased a couple. I got these two Maybelline eyeshadow palettes. And then I also picked up some Revlon lip tints. So I hope they are like lip balms, like chapsticks. I think those were buy one get one 50% off. I'm not sure. I have to check my receipt. I took a picture of some of the new displays. So I'll just share that with you guys right now. But I was impressed how the drugstore is really killing it. They're starting off strong in 2019. I feel like I blended to the point where I really like how this eyeshadow did blend out. I mean, you can barely see it, but I can see it in person. You guys know I'm already going to be using this metallic shimmer shade on my lid. So let's actually dip into this salmon pinky shadow. We're just going to be using that pink shadow and we're going to, all over the lid, just blending that out. I I thought these shadows would kind of pop out at me. It's very subtle. There's not a lot of fallout with these eyeshadows either. And then using my finger, I am going to be dipping into this metallic shadow. Very creamy, very buttery in the pan. We're just going to be popping that all over the lid. Ooh, that's actually very pretty. My finger is not giving this metallic shade any justice, so I am going to be using a flat packer brush, and we're just going to spray it. Now we're going to grab this shadow. So let's see how this applies. It needs to be like a little mirror at least. I really like using this flat packer brush that really picked up the metallic shade. We're just going to be finishing the other eye. I did bring the metallic shade into my inner corner. I'm just going to be applying some mascara. I'm going to add a lippy and I'll be right back. I added mascara and a matte liquid lipstick, and here's what the completed look does look like. Overall, I really do love this Little City Mini eyeshadow palette in Coca City. I do like how soft and buttery these eyeshadows are in the pan. You do have to build it up because just with one swipe, you are going to get very little pigment. But if you do build up the pigment, you are going to get a beautiful eyeshadow look. And I definitely would recommend this eyeshadow palette by Maybelline, and definitely pick it up for $9.99. And of course, you guys probably want to know what liquid lipstick I am wearing. This is Jaybird by Laura Lee Los Angeles. I love this matte liquid lipstick because it is lightweight on the lips, it is very pigmented, and it lasts throughout the entire day. Hope you guys have a very happy New Year's Eve, and definitely stay safe out there, you guys. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.